myself Dr. Shashi Oberoi, Vice President of AIOTA, and also have been designated as a coordinator for the walkathon. This walkathon was organized by All India Occupational Therapists Association, and it was held today at GS Medical College KEM Hospital. The participants were from all institutes, heads and students of and staff of the different institutes which are offering the occupational therapy program, KEM, NIAS, SIGN, Haji Ali, that is, and TNMC, and DY Patil College.
I am Dr. Anil Srivastava. I am the President of All India Occupational Therapists Association. Occupational therapy in India modern occupational therapy in India began in 1950. So we have got about 70 years of history of this profession in India and also in Asia. The first occupational therapy school started in this setup at KEM Hospital, Mumbai, and by the founder of the profession in India, Mrs. Kamla Vinimukar. Our association, that is All India Occupational Therapists Association, was formed in 1952. So that means that this association has also got about 68 years of history in India. We celebrate World OT Day each year since 2010 with initiative from World Federation of Occupational Therapists. In fact, 27th October is the World OT Day. All India OT Association has declared World OT India month. So during whole month, the institutions and branches can celebrate OT Day according to their convenience, according to their hospital calendar, whatever it is. So today, last year we arranged this walkathon at Navi Mumbai, and it was a good show. It was appreciated by all. We were able to generate awareness among the public, among the masses, among the young interns in the profession. This year we decided to do it here at in Mumbai at KEM Hospital. Today in this walkathon, our national executives, they have come from Cochin, from Rajasthan, Jaipur, because we have got branches in almost all states of India. So, and many members of these branches are also working here in Mumbai.
We are grateful to Dr. Hemant Deshmukh to have flagged off the walkathon and his kind words of encouragement for the walkathon. Participants total, we were around 450 who participated in the walkathon. It was a grand success. We were able to bring about good awareness to the public on the way of the walkathon. We covered almost 4.5 kilometers today.
Today a line was formed by each dot of occupational therapists. Each occupational therapist was representing a dot, and once a dot, that is each individual was walking, it formed a big line, and this itself gives a big message that this big line is going to extend further and make further inroads into the occupation of occupational therapists. The benefits of walking, as you are aware, that this is going to be a cardiovascular booster, and walking itself boosts the entire energy of the cardiovascular system. The blood vessels of the heart and the blood vessels of the brain are also linked to the blood vessels of the leg, and once a good blood vessel which is reaching to the toes of the leg are happy, then the brain and heart also would be happy, pumping in blood all over the body. This cardiovascular fitness which happens because of walking was the star attraction of Walkathon today, and this Walkathon is held in the month of November. So November itself starts with NO, so which simply means that no regrets, no limits and no borders. So continue walking in the month of November and to the entire year. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपिस्ट पेशंटला परावलंबापासून स्वावलंबापर्यंत नेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, जेणेकरून पेशंटला कुणावरही अवलंबून राहण्याची पाळी येत नाही. आता वर्ल्ड ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी डेची थीम ह्या वर्षीची वर्ल्ड हेल्थ अँड वेलबिंग ही अशी असून ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपिस्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये फार महत्त्वाचा भाग त्याचा असतो.
We also are very thankful to the police inspectors and their team who have joined us in the walkathon and seen that it has been very peaceful march in spite of anticipated problems in Mumbai today. And we also thank all the participants and more so the heads of the institutes at KEM Nair Sign, and especially Dr. Jaya Kale, who has been very resourceful and has been organizing this walkathon.
तुम्ही सर्वांनी एवढी मोठी लांबच्या लांब रॅली काढली, तुम्ही इतक्या लांब चालत आलात. देव नाही पण देवाचे अवतार आहात. वा वा तुम्ही देव नाही पण देवाचे अवतार आहात. तुम्ही पूर्ण मेलेल्या माणसाला जिवंत करण्याचं काम तुमच्या हातात आहे, हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि तुम्ही ते मनापासून करता, हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. वाईट हेतू नाही आहे, चांगला हेतू आहे. समाजासाठी आपण काम करत असतो, समाजासाठी काम करत असताना आपल्याला थोडासा त्रास होतो, परंतु तो करणं गरजेचं आहे. दुसरं, त्या जगामध्ये
We were waiting for you to flag up. We would like you to give us a few message, a small message on this day.
Thank you, Dr. Hemant Deshmukh. Sir had already approved the invitation, but however yesterday because of some difficulties we could not convey the message to him, and sir is with us now. He'll flag off the event, and then sir we are going to have a street play later. We'll call you to see it. It is a wonderful street play and you should come and see around 10 o'clock. Yeah.
Good morning.
Sorry for this late appearance on my behalf, and I know this climate is very sultry, but nonetheless I welcome you all to this great campus of KEM Hospital and GS Medical College. I suppose this is a walkathon, and I'm an interventional radiologist. So walkathon is always done with interventional radiologists in the month of October. So what we call that is Walktober, right? So this is November, so we can still call it Walk November or something. And we treat peripheral vascular disease. So walking is part of my rehabilitation program, and anything which enhances the quality of life. Lying in the area of parade, and I congratulate you all for this. And I hope this brings a lot of people into the habit of walking every day. Thank you so much. All the best. God bless. 3 cheers for occupational therapy. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Medical welcome. Mr. Deshmukh sir. Graciously agreed to escort the walkathon and young.
स्वावलंबन की ओर जाने वाली जलद लोकल है। यहाँ लोकल ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, न्यूरोलॉजी, पीडियाट्रिक्स और साइकेट्री
बहुत ही बढ़िया थेरेपी है। तो हम थेरेपिस्ट इन्हें देते हैं अलग अलग थेरेपी, जैसे एक्सरसाइज थेरेपी, बिहेवियर थेरेपी, अगला न्यूरोलॉजी।
थोड़ा एक जगह जाने की जगह वाह मुलायजा होशियार, जमाने के दरवाजे पे जो दस्तक लाए हैं वो इतिहास के पन्नों पे लिखी जाएगी। जब जब स्किल इंडिया का जिक्र होगा तो ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट की कला दिखी जाएगी। जी हाँ दोस्तों,
हिस्सा बन सकता है और हम ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट की मदद कर सकते हैं। सेहत के लिए अपनी लाभदायक है, इनमें पूरा यकीन करो ये सच्चे नायक है। ट्रीटमेंट ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट।
अपना नाम बताओ।
जी मैं विकास और मेरा नाम रघु।
विकास तुम डिलीवरी सेक्टर संभालोगे और रघु तुम दिन भर की डिलीवरी का डेटा कंप्यूटर में एंटर करोगे। कल 1 तारीख है, कल से काम पे आ जाना, ठीक है? जी। कर पा रहे हो, एक तो डिलीवरी नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एक दूसरे से गिरा देते हो, नहीं तो समय के टाइम पे चूक जाते हो। और रघु बोले तो सारा डेटा कंप्यूटर में गलत एंटर किया। अब बताओ मैं क्या करूँ?
नारायण नारायण।
मैम साहब बुलाया मुझे आपने?
हाँ हाँ शांता बहन की मदद कर दो ना थोड़ी।
अरे हाँ हाँ, इन जैसे बच्चों को तो मैं अच्छे से ठीक करती हूँ, उनका अच्छे से मालिश करके उनको खड़ा भी कर देती हूँ। उसके लिए इन जैसे डॉक्टरों की क्या जरूरत?
इन जैसे बच्चों के लिए हम जैसे डॉक्टर यानी ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट की ही जरूरत है।
मैं आएगी, आप क्या करोगे उसके लिए?
ऐसा क्यों, हम बाहर जाके भी उनकी मदद करते हैं और अगर हम स्वयं ना जा सके तो अपने असिस्टेंट को भेज के उनकी मदद करते हैं।
चल हट।
ब्रेन कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, माउथ का कैंसर, खून का कैंसर इत्यादि, पर इन सब में से महिलाओं में सबसे ज्यादा पाया जाना कैंसर है वो है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर। ब्रेस्ट कैंसर यानी स्तनों का कैंसर। तो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के कई कारण हैं, जैसे कि मोटापा, बढ़ती उम्र, बार-बार हाँ, बोल यार हाँ, खुशियों की जीत हो, दुखों की हार हाँ, कैंसर से हार न पाए, चले चलो, जीवन खुशहाल बनाए, चले चलो।
1 2 3 4
व्यवसाय उपचार,
1 2 3 4
व्यवसाय उपचार।
We also thank all the participants and more so the heads of the institutes at KEM Nair Science, and especially Dr. Jaya Kale, who has been very resourceful and has been organizing this walkathon. Mumbai branch also Dr. Alok Patil, who has been the convener of Mumbai branch. They have all worked tirelessly for this success of this walkathon. Besides that, we also would like to thank CRC, that is a Child Rehab Center, Dr. Sumit Shinde, for having given us sponsorship for this walkathon program. And not to forget our President Dr. Anil K. Srivastava, whose vision and whose planning for this walkathon has helped us to bring more awareness in Mumbai today.